What if I told you one of America's most legendary muscle cars is back? Only this time, it doesn't roar with gasoline, it hums with electricity. That's right. The 2026 Buick Grand National GNX EV has arrived, and it's rewriting the muscle car playbook in ways nobody expected. We're talking outrageous design, shocking performance claims, and a bold attempt to fuse nostalgia with the EV future. But here's the big question. Does this new GNX truly deserve its iconic badge, or is it just another nameplate revival? Stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll know whether this is the muscle car comeback we've been waiting for. Setup. The car we're looking at today isn't just another release, it's a resurrection. Buick has decided to bring back one of its most iconic nameplates, the Grand National GNX, but this time with a dramatic twist. It's all electric. For those who remember the 1980s original, the GNX was a street legend, an underdog that embarrassed bigger, flashier sports cars with raw speed and attitude. Fast forward to 2026, and Buick is hoping to recapture that same magic while proving it can thrive in an EV-dominated market. Why does this matter? Because muscle cars are at a crossroads. Dodge has already announced electrified versions of its Charger. Ford's Mustang lineup has leaned into hybrid and EV territory, and now Buick is stepping in with a bold play of its own. The GNX EV isn't just targeting die-hard enthusiasts, it's also aimed at younger drivers who crave performance without the guilt of gas prices or emissions. It's heritage meeting high-tech, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down how this car looks, feels, and drives, or hums. We'll explore whether Buick has truly brought back a legend, or if this is simply nostalgia dressed up in a shiny new EV package. And trust me, the details ahead may surprise you. Rising action. Now let's dive into what makes the 2026 Buick Grand National GNX EV such a head-turner. The first thing you'll notice is the design. It's bold, muscular, and unapologetically wide. Buick has given it exaggerated fender flares, an aggressive stance, and a front fascia that nods to the original GNX while embracing modern aerodynamics. The glossy black finish, sharp LED lighting, and retro-inspired badging make it instantly recognizable, yet futuristic at the same time. It's the kind of car that looks just as intimidating in your rearview mirror as it does parked at a car meet. Step inside, and the surprises continue. Buick has clearly aimed to blend luxury with performance here. The cabin features premium leather seating, brushed aluminum accents, and a massive infotainment screen that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Buick's new EV software suite. The digital instrument cluster gives you real-time performance metrics, while ambient lighting shifts colors depending on your drive mode. It's part retro-cool, part cutting-edge tech, and it feels like Buick really wanted to elevate this interior to compete not only with American rivals, but also with luxury imports. But of course, none of this would matter if the performance didn't back it up. And this is where the GNX EV makes its boldest statement. Powered by dual electric motors, it delivers a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower and instant torque. That means 0 to 60 in just about 3 seconds flat. For a Buick, that's almost unbelievable. But the numbers speak for themselves. The all-wheel drive system ensures traction is never an issue, whether you're launching off the line or taking on winding roads. Range comes in at a respectable 310 miles on a full charge, and with DC fast charging, you can recover about 200 miles in under 20 minutes. It's muscle performance, reimagined for the EV era. Still, no car is perfect. The GNX EV's weight, thanks to its large battery pack, can be felt during hard cornering. While it's stable and planted, purists may argue it doesn't deliver the same raw, visceral feedback as the original gas-powered GNX. And while the interior tech is impressive, some may find the massive screens a bit distracting compared to the simplicity of older muscle cars. These aren't deal breakers, but they are worth noting if you're expecting a one-to-one recreation of the past. Where this car really shines, though, is in its ability to bridge generations. For older enthusiasts, it carries the spirit of the 1980s legend. For younger buyers, it offers futuristic performance without the environmental baggage. It's not trying to be a copy of the past. It's trying to be the future of what muscle cars can mean. And that's where Buick may have struck gold. But here's where things get really interesting. We've talked design, luxury, and performance. But what about the cost? Does the GNX EV come with a price tag that makes it a realistic option? Or does it put it out of reach for most buyers? That's coming up next, and trust me, you'll want to hear it. Climax. This is the moment where all the speculation meets reality. The GNX EV's true test on the road. Numbers on paper are one thing, but how does this machine actually feel when you put your foot down? The answer, shocking. The instant torque slams you back into the seat with a force that rivals supercars costing twice as much. 0 to 60 in around 3 seconds doesn't just sound fast. It feels like being launched from a slingshot. It's the kind of acceleration that leaves passengers laughing, shouting, or simply stunned into silence. But here's the twist. What makes it so memorable isn't just the raw speed. It's the silence that comes with it. There's no roaring V6 like the original GNX, no exhaust note echoing off the walls. Instead, you hear a futuristic hum, paired with the faint whistle of wind rushing past. For some, that might feel like a letdown. For others, it's a reminder that this is muscle car power redefined for a new era. And when you corner hard, the low center of gravity from the battery pack keeps the car glued to the road, making it far more composed than you'd expect from something this heavy. Still, the weight does show itself in tight bends. There's no denying physics. Enthusiasts who crave the raw, unpredictable character of the old GNX may find this version too polished, too refined. Yet, for drivers who want blistering performance with everyday usability, the balance is nearly perfect. It's not a copy of the past, it's a new chapter entirely. So here's the turning point. The GNX EV doesn't just live up to the hype, it redefines it. It proves that electric muscle isn't a contradiction, it's the future. The only real question now is whether fans of the original will embrace this new identity or dismiss it as something entirely different. And that's exactly where our verdict comes in next. Resolution and impact. So where does that leave us with the 2026 Buick Grand National GNX EV? After taking a closer look, it's clear this isn't just a nostalgic nameplate slapped on an electric platform. It's Buick making a bold statement about its future. The pros are hard to ignore. Jaw-dropping acceleration, a design that commands attention, a premium interior that finally feels competitive, and a respectable driving range that makes this EV practical for daily use. Add in the fast charging capabilities, and you've got a car that's not just quick in performance, but quick to get back on the road too. But there are drawbacks, and they're worth considering. The GNX EV's weight can dampen the pure muscle car feel some enthusiasts crave. Its oversized digital displays may not appeal to purists who long for simplicity. And let's be honest, this isn't going to be the most affordable EV on the market. The GNX EV will speak most loudly to buyers who want power, presence, and prestige rolled into one package. It's for the driver who wants to relive the spirit of the past without being stuck in it, and for the new generation that wants performance without compromise on emissions or tech. In the bigger picture, Buick's move shows us just how quickly the definition of a muscle car is evolving in the US market. Dodge, Ford, and now Buick are proving that the EV revolution isn't about losing excitement, it's about redefining it. The GNX EV may not be the perfect spiritual successor to the original, but it's a clear sign that muscle cars still have a future, even in a world where gas engines are fading. So here's the big question. Is the 2026 GNX EV the rebirth of a legend, or the start of something entirely new? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear if you think Buick nailed it or missed the mark. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more reviews just like this. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.